Here's how you can sync QuickBooks Custom Reports to Google Sheets automatically, which is going to save you a ton of time and frustration of having stale spreadsheets. So to get started, go to retrieverhq.com, make sure you install the extension. Once that's done, from inside of any Google Sheet, navigate to Extensions, Retriever for QuickBooks, and Open. Or in my case, I'm just going to maximize this because I've already done it. Once you've connected a company through QuickBooks, choose the Custom QuickBooks Report option and click Create Report. Now what this does is it creates a tab with important details, which I'll get into now. So this sheet contains instructions as well as the details we'll need to tell QuickBooks where to put the report details. So from here, we'll want to open up QuickBooks, go to Reports, and then Custom Reports. Now here are some sample custom reports I've created, and I'm going to go through the two types. One is the newer QuickBooks report, and the second is the legacy QuickBooks Custom Report. So for these newer ones, I'm going to choose this custom transaction list by vendor report I've made, and I'm going to select the drop down and create a schedule. This opens up our workflow, which is going to allow Intuit or QuickBooks to email us the report details, which Retriever then takes and puts into the Google Sheet. So I'm just going to give this a name, Hello World. I'm going to choose Schedule and Send, and we can see it's our custom transaction list by vendor report. I'm going to start this at the default, today's date, in the morning. I'm going to repeat it every day, though you could choose every week, every month, or every year. And I'm going to select Never so that this report syncs indefinitely. And lastly, this is the important piece. We're going to paste in the details from that sheet into our QuickBooks Custom Report Schedule and Send. So under step 3, we can find the email as well as the message details. Now you can also find them in the Manage tab under your custom report. So I'm going to copy this detail just so that I don't make any typos. So I'm going to paste in custom@reports.retrieverhq.com. We could also CC or BCC this address. Let's say if we're sending this to team members and we just want to hide the Retriever email address, that works as well. We'll give it a name. Now in message, we want to take the message contents, copy them, and paste them here. Now if you do want to send this custom report to multiple Google Sheets, you can do that. You would just need to add a comma here at the end, and then the secondary spreadsheet ID, sheet ID, and secret key, but we'll just do one for now. So I've just pasted that in, and I'm going to click Save and Turn On. Perfect. So that pretty much completes the setup for the newer reports. Now for the legacy reports, I'll show you the schedule there. There's a little bit of a bug with QuickBooks where you have to turn it off and then turn it back on. Here we'll see the email details, and as you can see, I've added that custom@reports.retrieverhq.com email address, and beneath the body of the email I've added the details, and very importantly I've checked the attach the report as an Excel file checkbox. And I'll click Save and Close. So once that's done, you're going to see the report load in here every hour, every day, whichever you chose. And finally, I'm just going to show you a quick simulation of what that will look like. So I've created just a blank email here. I'm going to select that custom@reports email address. I'm going to grab this, copy, and paste it here. And I've attached the file, the Excel file that I downloaded. This is what it looks like. And so now I'm going to click Send on that email. And what we will see is that report, once received by our servers, is going to load in here. So as you can see, it's loaded in that Excel file into our Google Sheet automatically. It's also renamed the tab to the title of our custom report. And in Manage, if we refresh, you can see it's successfully renamed it, and it's even detected the date range of the report, and it's going to show you the date at which it was last updated. So I hope this was a helpful demonstration of how you can sync QuickBooks Custom Reports to Google Sheets automatically. And my name is Aubrey. I'm the founder of Retriever. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions at all about this. Thanks.